Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use double tap to wake screen setting on Poco mobile. Friends, you want to use your double tap to wake screen setting, so how to use it. Friends, you can see without press power button guys, I can turn on my phone screen with double tap. Screen will on and double tap to lock screen. So friends, you want to use double tap to wake screen setting. So friends, how to use it in this video I will show you. First of all friends, open your Poco phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, click on Poco mobile always on display and lock screen. Friends, you want to on your always on display setting, so you can on and you can select this theme for your lock screen and you can use it. Friends, you want to change your phone sleep time, your screen timeout, so you can change from here. Friends, you want to on, you want to use your raise to wake, so you can on and you can off from here. So guys, on your Poco mobile, double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. So with right side click. After on this setting friends, you can lock your screen without press power button, and guys without press power button guys, you can turn on your Poco phone screen with double tap. Double tap on your screen will on, and double tap to off screen. So like that friends, you can on and you can use guys your double tap to wake screen setting. So friends, without press power button you can use your Poco phone and you can unlock your Poco phone device. Friends, you don't want to use the double tap setting, so you can turn off from here. After all friends, you cannot on your screen friends, you can check with double tap. So as now we will use power button. So like that friends, you can use double tap to wake screen. So bye guys.